Healing here. Welcome to the channel. I just want to mention, if you haven't already, please remember to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share. In this video, we're going to be talking about Clickbank. So the question is Clickbank a scam? If you're watching this video, you've probably done a little research on Clickbank already and you want to know the truth. You've probably saw both sides of the argument. Some people advocating Clickbank as a money-making opportunity and others calling it a flat-out scam. But what is the truth? Is Clickbank a scam? In order to answer this question, we must first understand what a scam is and how it is defined. A scam is something that is fraudulent in nature, meaning, for instance, let's say you buy a toaster on the Amazon website off a third-party seller, and instead of receiving a toaster that you thought you would get, instead you receive a pair of socks. Clearly, this is a scam, since they didn't send you what you paid for, and this is considered fraud. Now, here is another example. Let's use Clickbank this time in the example. Let's say you successfully promoted a product and made a sale, and Clickbank knows they owe you a commission for that sale, but willingly withholds your payment. This would be considered fraud in my example. So a scam contains elements of deception where the scammer has the intention to swindle you out of your hard-earned money. Now let's find out the truth about Clickbank and let's figure out if it's a scam or not. My answer is no. Clickbank is a legitimate affiliate platform where almost anyone around the world can sign up to start promoting pre-existing products and start making some commissions. This is one of the oldest affiliate sites out there that started selling products online. However, I do have a few bones to pick with Clickbank. So in the following slides, I'm going to share with you what I consider shady practices or grievances I have with Clickbank. There are some terms in the operating agreement that I consider a bit shady and unfair. Number one, they have a policy called a distribution requirement. And what that means is Clickbank will withhold a payment of any balance until an account shows a minimum of 5 sales using at least 2 different payment methods, meaning you won't be paid until you have sales coming from 2 different payment options listed here. It can be any combination, but it just has to be 2 separate ones that are different. So it can be American Express, Cartier Blue, Discover, ELV, JCB, MasterCard, Master-O, PayPal, Visa. So for example, if you make a sale with someone using a MasterCard and another customer pays using PayPal, so MasterCard and PayPal, then you will be eligible to be paid. But if you only have a customer who only used a MasterCard, so only uses the MasterCard, and there's no other payment options that your other customers use and they're only using MasterCards, you will not be eligible to be paid out until you get a customer who pays you through a different payment method. Supposedly, this policy is used to help prevent Clickbank affiliates from fraudulent use of collecting rebates and discounts through their own purchases. Account sale dormancy. Clickbank states in their operating agreement, if you don't make sales in a certain amount of time, they will start deducting your commissions at $1 per pay period after 90 days. So this continues to go to $5 per pay period after 180 days and $50 per pay period after 365 days. So that's 1 calendar year of no sales. So let's say you have only made $50 one time and nothing after the 6 months, which is 180 days. Clickbank will deduct $5 from your next pay period. As an affiliate, you need to be aware of this. Processing charges and reserves. Clickbank is a business like any other, and since they are not a charity and in the business to make money, there are some fees associated with your payments. You will be charged $250 from your total payments as a processing fee. So let's say you've earned $40 in your payment period. Clickbank will deduct $250 as a processing fee from that $40. So you'll get about $38 and some change. Now, let's talk about reserves. Now, reserves are standard practice across many selling platforms, including affiliate sites. And this is simply a contingency in case customers ask for a refund. I'm not saying reserves are shady, but want to make you aware that 10% of your total earnings will not be paid out to you until your next payment cycle. So that's 10% of whatever you earned will be reserved until your next payment cycle. And again, this is for just in case customers ask for a refund. So Clickbank needs to have money aside so that they can use that as a reserve. Now, not all, but some products are shady. Now, this point is not found within the operating agreement, but this is something I thought I should mention out of experience. You'll notice that Clickbank is simply a marketplace where third-party vendors come to sell their products, in particular, information products. But you'll soon find out not all products are made equal, and some are very questionable. I don't know the vetting process behind Clickbank's quality assurance. However, I can tell you some products I've seen are borderline scam. I would recommend not to promote any products that have unrealistic guarantees or that sounds too good to be true. Niches dealing with gambling, lottery systems, and even some weight loss products are ones to be cautious of. I only recommend products that you're willing to promote that you truly believe in or you've tried yourself. So in conclusion, Clickbank is not a scam. It's a legit platform where you can start earning money online, getting paid weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever option you prefer. I would recommend it as a starting place for your affiliate marketing journey as a beginner. If you're interested in learning the ropes on how to make money without a website and only using Clickbank, I'd like to recommend you my crash course where I show you everything from beginning to end. You can find that down in the description. I give you the products I've personally used and found success with and teach you different strategies and essentially make you an expert with affiliate marketing in no time. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.